Thutha wa miario ya wuiguano kuringa ihiga keri ga kiumia giki mwena wa Azimio gitetia kwaga wihokeku na uigiriki mwena-ini wa thirikari. Mwena wa Kenya Kwanza ni wonanitie guthuthira Azimio macoke metha-ini ya miario thiku imwe tu kuuma Azimio maheana thiku ithathatu kuri Kenya Kwanza icurani uria miario na igutwarithio na mbere amu Azimio mugite mieri no igithiega na mbere thirikari ireka maundu mugaru na agenda iria matemanitie. Magitetera Kenya Kwanza marauga Azimio ni agararire icunjĩ cia wuiguano wa kumbwo kwa mutaratara wa miario ino na riu marauga gutire na ngarari ciho itangicirirwo na miario gucokereria na kungikinya ni kwambiriria muthi wa rucio.
Want to have these talks at arm's length. At arm's length means we are equal amongst equals. No one is bigger than the other, no one is smaller than the other. In as much as we feel there are certain roadblocks Azimio is placing on our path, we are competent and confident that we surmount those roadblocks so that these talks can actually go on.
Iguru wa uguo Kenya Kwanza marauga ni maranĩire na President William Ruto na ni mathagathagĩte macokio ma maũndũ marĩa Azimio marauga nimo macũngĩrĩire matiganĩria mĩario ĩno. Ĩndĩ Kenya Kwanza marauga mamwe ma mateta maya ta thama ya ciama-inĩ cia kĩũteti matiarĩ mũtaratara-inĩ wa mĩario.
It is not even in good faith to start with one demand after another demand and with ultimatums in between, that if you don't do this, we will halt the talks, we will suspend the talks, we will actually cancel the talks.
We refuse to be bystanders in a process where hostile negotiators get to choose tomorrow's umpire. We gathered here today to submit that the bipartisan talks in Parliament have lost direction and credibility. Nothing good will come out of a process punctured with threats, intimidation, coercion and anarchy. Azimio maugite kungikinya Kenya Kwanza ndigutiga kunyarira ciama iria rungu rwa Azimio matire na wikio tiga gutiganiria miario ino kaimana. Muthenya wa ira mwerekero wa miario ino nirahingurire page ingi Azimio makiuga matire na mwihokano wa wabici ya mwandikithia wa ciama uria marenda yeheria magiko wa darariira wiyathi wa ciama.
I don't know what interference they're talking about. That will come to the table. We will discuss it when it comes to the table. As to members going to State House or going anywhere else, it's their freedom. They are free to associate in whichever manner they feel is appropriate. And for Kenya Kwanza, for Azimio, we will only tell them if there are their own internal disputes, they settle those disputes themselves internally in accordance with their instruments and in accordance with the law. Really, we cannot be accused, although we cannot stop them from accusing. But we do not admit any of that.
There's no way somebody can wake up in the morning and say that the registrar of political parties should go home without subjecting them to the rule of law. We are advising all those people saying the registrar should resign, should actually go to the courts. If they have gone through the courts and the courts have determined that the registrar has done something wrong, then we can now be able to address the matter of resignation.
Ngwataniro ya Azimio ni tanyitwo gucemania muthenya wa rucio mucii kwa mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na keri ga kiumia turorete macemania na atongoria thure rungu rwa Azimio mbere ya mukana wa thiku 7 cia guteaniria miario ino kaimana cinekireire gatatu ga kiumia giukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retwo riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.